Yeah, number one, murder mystery novels. Yes, so recently I was browsing on Amazon and I discovered that murder mystery novels are selling super well. So you take this novel I found that was published just a few weeks ago as of me filming this video. I noticed it had a high bestsellers rank. So I got curious. I took the daily rank and I popped it into a sales estimator and it estimated it's selling up to 108 ebooks a day. Wow. And I'll tell you what, when I saw this, I got even more curious. And so I decided to use a Kindle profit calculator to estimate that after fees, the author is making $5.16 per book. And while you do the math right, 108 sales a day times $5.16 means that is a nice solid income to be bringing in. But it gets even crazier, because take a look. In the past 2 years, this author has published 9 murder mystery novels. So what I did was I took each of these books' best-selling ranks and I popped them into the Amazon sales estimator. And combined with the other books, it estimated that the author was selling up to 391 novels per day, which, even accounting for selling fees, turned out to be a really nice estimated monthly income once I calculated it. And so this just made me even more fascinated, so I had to check out the author on social media, and get this, the author isn't even famous. Her only social media account is on Facebook with about 500 followers, and I bet some people will be surprised at this. But frankly, I'm not, because she was just one of many generic authors I found making and selling murder mysteries successfully on Amazon Kindle. And it makes sense that generic authors who aren't famous might pick a niche like this, because they are one of the genres that can be written as beach fiction, which are basically novels that are short and easy to read. It's the sort of guilty pleasure book that you might choose to read on vacation. So these can sell super well even for no-name indie authors, because readers who like this need a constant stream of new books to read. So every week they just browse the latest Kindle releases and buy and read as many of them as they can, even if they don't recognize the author. And this sort of mass market fiction is the exact sort that Claude is super good at, using a 6-step process I'll show you. So first up, for step 1, I went ahead and created a new project within Claude. Claude projects are a great feature. They're an easy way to group together chats and files so that Claude can easily cross-reference them. Then step 2, I created a new chat within this project, and I explained that I'm writing a murder mystery and told it my book's theme, gardening, and asked it to come up with some twists, and it came up with a bunch of different ideas for me. I looked over its ideas, and I chose a twist where a community garden member gets poisoned by a plant grown in the garden, but they were the wrong target. So I got Claude to turn this twist into a document for me, which I then downloaded, and then re-uploaded into our project to save as a reference. Then, step 3, in a new chat, I asked Claude to create a 12-step mystery formula based on my favorite twist, and it did just that. And if you don't know what a 12-step mystery formula is, it's probably the most common way that detective stories are structured. They are split into 12 acts that follow a predictable guilty pleasure formula that readers love. So I downloaded my formula and re-uploaded it to the project. Then, step 4, I created a new chat and asked Claude to take our formula we had created and map out what characters would be in it, and to create character profiles for each of them. And then, when that was done, I downloaded it as a reference document and re-uploaded it to our project files. And then, for step 5, I told Claude to take all of the documents and to turn it into a single master reference outlining the story chapter by chapter with all notes required to write the story. And then, that was that. I was now ready for step 6, actually writing the book. And this is pretty simple. Just start a new chat and ask it to write chapter 1 using all of our reference documents. It took a few minutes, but soon enough, it was done. Then, in the same chat for consistency, I just came and asked it to write me chapter 2, and it did it no problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can combine all the chapters into a single Google Doc file so that you can edit it, and then upload it to Amazon KDP using Amazon's free software, Kindle Create, which converts it into a Kindle-ready ebook file. Pretty cool, right? And by the way, while you're watching this video, if you see any idea that you're interested in and you want a full tutorial on, such as a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create and sell AI novels, then let me know in the comments. If I get enough requests, then I will do my very best to go ahead and make a full tutorial video for you. And speaking of books, this brings me on to the next product idea that Claude is really good at creating, which is that it is super good at coding